Hey, what's up guys, this is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. This is just a short episode on a quick update on the Binbot Pro. So one of the topic I'm going to cover is the withdrawal and what's my status of the withdrawal. Have I actually withdrawn from my account, and is it possible to withdraw from my broker, which is binarycent? And another common question I get from some of my subscribers is does it work well with cryptocurrency? So I'm gonna answer these questions in the next segment of this video, so make sure you watch the entire thing. And as well, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, what is Binbot Pro and how do I actually use it to make money, make sure you check my previous episode out and the entire playlist. You can get the entire picture of how I actually trade Binbot Pro and the stuff that I've gone through before I achieve some level of success from Binbot Pro. It didn't actually go so well, and so do find out why in the first episode, and actually find out in the subsequent episode what I did to actually make it better. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna make this quick. This is my Binbot Pro trading platform. As you can see, my current balance stands at 4809.77. So on my previous episode, if you guys haven't watched it, make sure you do, because it covers a very essential part of my trading strategy by using Binbot Pro to increase our chances of winning. So anyway, previously my balance stands at 7,809.77, and I've just requested a $3,000 withdrawal, which has recently been approved. You can see that my deposit was early in June 14. My deposit is 500, and then I've managed to withdraw $3,000. So previously it was still pending, and it took about 1 day. So well, binarycent, they are known for about a 1 hour approval, but the problem why mine took a little bit longer, as I requested my withdrawal on the 13th, let's say 13 on Friday. It was on Friday. The reason why it was wrong, it took longer, is because I didn't realize that the document that I sent was actually out of date. So due to that reason, my verification was in a way rejected, so I needed to send a new one, and I didn't realize that. So hence that's why it took a bit longer, and I didn't want it to actually trade from a $7,000 account, because as you know, options, our balance can fluctuate. As you can see, previously it fluctuates a lot, and I didn't want the balance to like suddenly lose a couple of $1,000 or maybe or something like that, just for the benefit of maintaining my balance. And once my withdrawal was approved and it got deducted, and then only I will continue doing my trade. So that was the plan. So the good news is the withdrawal was approved, and I'm expected to see my funds to be here in my bank account in maybe 3 days, 3 business days, maybe end of this week. I will receive the 3,000 USD, and my balance of $4,800, $4,800 will still be in my account for further testing. Okay, so another quick announcement to make in this episode is about crypto trading. So what I did in Binbot Pro is, in order to test cryptocurrency pairs like the LTC USD, BTC USD, ETH USD, and BCH USD, I tested it on a smaller account because I didn't want to mess up this huge account. So basically, I've started a small account and run a couple of tests using the same strategy, and it turns out that my strategy does not work well with the cryptocurrency pairs. So the reason why is pretty obvious actually. So if we were to look at BTC USD 1 minute chart, as you can see, my strategy mainly works on ATR and as well as RSI. So as you can see, the RSI is pretty much, it plunges suddenly. Like maybe this area we probably can get a trade, but most of the time we'll be getting a lot of flat line movements in a 1 minute chart, and Binbot Pro tend to take expiry from maybe 3 minutes to 10 minutes. So on average, maybe about 7 minutes expiry. So within this 7 minutes expiry, we're just going to add up a draw, or even though if it's a 1 micro pip lower than your strike price, you're going to lose. So and I think that is why that it didn't really work out so well. As you can see, it's quite unpredictable in a 1 minute chart. So my advice is to stay away from cryptocurrency if you guys are using my my settings for your robot. So it is definitely not as good as the one that we got from GBP USD, which is a steady flow and a decent size candle each time, and we can actually trade the RSIs like cleaner RSIs, like this one, as compared to like maybe ETH USD that is more like a zigzaggy. It's more like a binary 0 and 1s. So it's just too quick for the robot to actually to decide the RSI and the momentum. So I think it doesn't really work well for 1 minute. So guys, stay away from cryptocurrency pairs. I will continue to trade using the Binbot Pro using my settings. So remember guys, if you guys want my setting, do email me at the contact details you see in the description box below, or add me on Skype if you guys have any questions. So far I haven't been trading for maybe a couple of days due to the withdrawal requests and stuff like that. Alright, so guys, remember to subscribe for more trading updates, as well as Binbot Pro Trading Progress. I will be covering more content very soon in the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping to branch off to other software or other trading methods that you guys can actually use to actually make some money from home. Alright, so I guess that is all. Do remember to subscribe and turn on the bell notification again. So remember, turn on the bell notification because it can actually alert you whenever I have a new content, especially on trading. Alright, and for those who have not signed up for the Binbot Pro and you guys are interested in trying this robot out with my settings, do join by using the link in the description box below or in the comment box. I would fully appreciate the support that you guys have given me. I've been getting a large number of subscribers in relative to what I have previously, so it appears that my content is at least helping some people out. So that I'm very happy to actually be doing this. So continue supporting me, like my videos if you like my content. Alright, so that's all guys. Trade safe.